Hello friends, first of all thank you for watching my videos and encouraging me to upload more videos. Do share my videos to your friends so that they can also benefit. Making money or saving money can be through extra resources or through effective utilization of available options. In this video I will talk two important aspects of home loan, tax benefit from home loan, and the another one which is very important, should you repay your home loan or not. Many of us at some point thinks whether we should continue our home loan or repay it. There are different triggers for it. Let's have a look in next slide. Compare benefit. We do compare the income tax benefit from home loan with the repayment benefit, and accordingly we decide whether we should repay or not. Big amount fear. When we look into the home loan amount or sometimes the EMI amount, then we see what to do. Should we again close it or not close it? Or sometimes we do also calculate the total interest amount during the tenure, and when we arrive at one amount which is too big, then also we decide no, it's better to close the loan. But whether that is advisable or not, we'll see in my next slides. Age factor, this is also very important factor, the borrower age and the home loan duration. So these all are some trigger point which basically uh, individual things when they basically plan for closing of home loan. Let's have a look of some scenarios. In my next slide I am going to discuss based on these three scenarios, and here it is very clear that I will talk about home loan amount of 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs and 40 lakhs with tenure of 20 years and 25 years. Now let's have a look of the tax benefit which an individual can avail. Those who have already taken home loan, they probably know that under section 24, interest on home loan is basically deductible, and it is up to 2 lakhs. When it is rental property, then there is no limit. Under section 80C also, that the principal repayment of home loan can be deductible. But here in under section 80C, that total limit is 1,50,000, wherein it also include the PF amount, the insurance, all other factor. So we'll see, do we utilize total principal repayment amount in our calculation, or we'll do some pro rata calculation. And there is another section, section 80E. Here also interest on home loan can be deductible up to 50,000. But here in this my slide I will not talk more about the section 80E. Now let's have a look of the tax benefit out of home loan. Here in this slide, though it looks so many data in this slide, but it is so easy to understand, and I'm not going to talk about all these all the amount, home loan amount like 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs or 40 lakhs. Let me talk about the very first row. Here in this, home loan amount is 20 lakhs, tenure is 20 years, home loan interest rate I have assumed is 9% across the year. EMI amount that needs to be paid every month is 17,995. Total amount paid in a year is 2,15,934. Interest paid during the year is 1,78,480, and the principal paid will be 737,454. Now, as we have seen in previous slide, that interest paid can be deductible up to 2 lakhs. Here I am assuming that the buyer is falling under 30% of tax bracket. It means 30% of 1,78,480 can be deductible, can be a saving for income tax saving for individual. Likewise, whole 37,454 will be deductible from total taxable income. If I add up these two save if, if I add up these two saving, it comes as 90,998. This is tax saving in a year. In next three column, I have basically provided the detail if buyer falls under 20% tax bracket. This I will not talk about. Maybe you can pause this video and you can have a look of this calculation. But here I will stress upon these values. You see that 1,16,181, the another big amount 1,34,908. So this could be your tax saving. This is a big amount, my friend, in a year. Now let me go to next slide. Yes, this is important slide, and uh, here what I have done is I have basically calculated the tax saving for whole 20 years. In my previous slide we have seen that tax saving on interest paid is 53,544. Likewise, for whole duration from first year till 20 years, I have calculated the tax saving from the interest rate by paying the home loan interest. The sum comes 6,95,606. This is in simple term, but assume that the tax saving amount which I am getting by paying interest, home loan interest, if I will invest, or if I will do FD of those value for the remaining tenure of my home loan, this 53,544 amount will become 2,31,079 by just doing compounding interest of 8%. Likewise, I have done for all the years, and here you see the value, it comes as 18,67,293. Same way I have done it for home loan principal. But my friend, I know since in ATC it is not only the home loan principal, but it also include the other saving like FD or provident fund or insurance, like that. So I cannot utilize my home loan principal whole amount in ATC. So what I have done is I have taken half of it. So you see in first year I have just taken 18,727 only, not the 37,454. With this I have done the same thing for all the years, and by doing this, by just taking half of the home loan principal amount in ATC and doing compounding interest of 8%, at the end of 20 years I'll get 17,62,788. If I would have done, if I would have taken 100% of the principal repaid, it would have been 35,25,576. Let's take just 50% of principal amount and see the benefit. Let me go to my next slide. Okay, this is very important slide, and here basically I have put it in two sections. One is loan not repaid and loan repaid. Okay, so since I have taken in my example the 20 lakhs of amount, so assume that you have got 20 lakhs by any means, and you want to repay your loan. You did it. So after repaying, what will happen? That you will not be paying any interest on home loan, nothing. But after that, you may need to pay the income tax. So if you will not be able to reach ATC limit of 1.5 lakhs, you need to pay extra income tax. And section 24 benefit of, of paying interest, that you will not get. So for next 20 years you need to pay income tax. You'll not be basically get benefit of home loan principal repayment and interest paid. If loan is not paid, assume you are having 20 lakhs and you are not paying your home loan. Okay, so with this, what will happen? Your uh, tax saving amount from interest paid would be 18 lakhs 67,294, which we have seen in previous slide. So assume every month what you need to do, you need to repay your EMI. You paid. So in a year we have seen that total EMI amount is 2 lakhs 15,000 and 934. So what I am suggesting is, you out of your 20 lakhs, you do FD of 20 lakhs, assume you will get 8% of it. So and take out your money from your 20 lakhs for paying the EMI. Okay. So you are paying your EMI out of your 20 lakhs, and then at the end you assume that the tax, you are getting refund of tax from income tax department for the interest repaid and for the principal repay. Okay. So with this calculation, it will come in 20 years 18 lakh 67,294. This calculation we have seen in previous slide. Likewise, after assuming 50% of principal amount under ATC, future value of tax saving will become 17 lakh 62,788. So this two will be saving by not repaying, but same needs to be paid if loan is repaid. That's why in other section it is in loan repaid section it is in minus. Then I have also done my calculation, which probably I will share in my blog at some point of time. What will happen that the 20 lakhs what you will do FD, it will last till 15 years. Up, then last 5 years it is required to pay from your pocket. Okay, so this can be done through utilizing the uh, tax saving amount. That's why for last 5 years I have put it as minus. You see that 5 multiplied by 2 lakhs 15,934, the yearly EMI, it comes as minus, it comes as 10 lakhs 90 10 lakhs 79,690. When I net it out, it basically comes 25 lakhs 50,000 and 412. This is my saving of not paying home loan. And by paying home loan, it is not the saving. I need to pay taxes, and the taxes, it will go 36 lakhs 30,082. In If I want to calculate the effective difference between these two, means 25 lakhs minus 36 lakhs, it will come 61 lakhs 80,493. So this is my understanding, friend, that by not paying your home loan, you will be basically saving 61 lakhs 80,493 during the home loan tenure. Now you need to decide what you need to do. If this calculation makes sense for you, I suggest do not repay your loan. If it doesn't make sense, or if you see any other better option, it is up to you. At some point of time, I will share my all this calculation, and probably I will also customize based on any individual requests later on. You can find those calculation after some time in this blog. This is my blog. As always, thank you my friends for watching my video, and recommend this video to your friend so that they can also have a look of this, and they can do their own analysis, and if it makes sense to them, they can go with my suggestions. I will come with more videos later on. Thank you guys. Bye.